Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing videos. Trust you are doing good. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do a package design on Pixellab and also on Photopea.com. So without wasting much of our time, let's deep into the business of today. So the first thing now is to change our background size or image size to 1280 1 1280 1054 1280 1054. So that is the image size we are using for today. 1280 1054. So that is the image size we are using for today. So the next thing I have to do right now is to change my background color to the color I want to use. So this is the color I'm using, and this is the color code in case you want to use yours. So this is the color code 442F34. So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out the image I want to use. So I have my image in my gallery. So let me go to my download. I have downloaded the image since a long time ago. So let me search for the image. So let me see this image I want to use. This image I want to use now. So good. That's the image I'm using. So the next thing I want to write now is to write. Go out to your desk, then write shalom, salom, salom or shalom, shalom, shalom. Good. Change the capital letter. Then write shalom, shalom. Then you change the font to a something bold font. So let's go to font. It's too deep. It's too heavy. Okay, so let's use this. Shalom. Good. Shalom. Shalom. Cream treatment. So let's go again. Shalom cream treatment. Cream treatment. Okay, cream shalom body treatment. Um Shalom makeup. Oh, I'm not a lady. Lady get this. Okay, makeup 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 cream. Okay, so because you're using cream container, so let's use shalom makeup cream. So let's go to our font and let's change the font to something. So I have not used the font before, so let me check um if this can work for it. So let's check this if it can work for it. So good, actually it worked for it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out your plus button, then you go to your shape and change the shape button to this. Good, then you change the color to this. So let me share you the color code. The color code is BEA79F. BEA79F. So that is the color code in case you want to use yours. Good, so you press like that. So the next thing I have to do right now is to write something under here. So I'm here to write grow your beauty. Grow your beauty. grow your grow your beauty grow your beauty with Shalom custom. Shallow grow your beauty with shallow custom. So good, so let's go with it now. So we're going to make it a little bit and make sure the work is aligned. No, in the graphic design we deal with alignment. Sometimes I do break the law of alignment, and sometimes you have to use it when you are designing um your this. So let's go to another font. Let's pick a font. So let's pick Popping. If Popping Media can do the work for us, Popping board good. So let's go to this one. So now we've gotten this one. The next thing now you should go to your go to your color. So let's check if this color can fit in. Actually good, it can fit in. So the next thing now is to come this your plus button again, shape, then you place it on top. Yeah, good. Then you grab it this color again. So let's go. So let's check what we did here. Actually good, but let's check if they are aligned. No, they are not aligned, so you have to shift it a little bit to make sure they are aligned together. Good, so it is aligned now. So the next thing you have to write now is beauty for every skin. So let's write the beauty for every skin. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to copy this your grow. No, copy the shadow. I want it to be hierarchy beauty for every skin, so that hierarchy is also part of graphic design rule. Beauty for every skin, beauty for every skin, for every skin. Good. So I want it to be hierarchy. Beauty for every go is okay like this. So make sure it is aligned with this. You're working with alignment. Beauty for every skin. Good. So the next thing I'm going to change the color now. Change the color to this. I want something good. Okay. So let's increase the color a little bit. Good. So let's take it good. So perfectly fine. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring out another image. So let me bring out another image that I put there. The custom image. So I think I use this custom image for it. Good. So next thing to do right now is to decrease it a little bit. Decrease it a little bit. Then you can actually place it here. Good. So there's nothing we can put again. Makeup. Okay. Makeup custom. So let me change it to makeup custom. Sorry, I'm not a lady, in case I'm not getting the right of very well. Good. So makeup custom, so it's okay. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to save our work save it as a project and as image. So I'm not saving as a project, I'm saving as image. So PNG, then you choose your very high, then you can actually save it to gallery. Good. So the next place we are going now is photopea.com. Welcome guys, welcome to photopea.com. So this is our photopea.com. So the next thing we're going to click on now is to click on your file at the left hand side, then you click on your open. Then the next is to click on your file, then go to where your PSD file is. So I have my PSD file on my drive, so I start it. So let me look for it. Start. Good. I start the PSD file, so let me look for it. Let me look for the PSD file. Good. So this is the PSD file. So we have to wait for it to load. So let it load. We are going to wait for it to load. PSD file can take a lot of time to load on photopea.com, especially when you upload it to your Gmail, so it will take a lot of time. But if it is on the phone, it might not take this kind of time. But let's just wait for it. So it has loaded. So the next thing I have to do right now is to form a layer. Good. So this is the layer we are going to press, not this one. Don't click on this. This is where my hand is. Don't click on it, but click on this. Good. So let's begin. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your layer at the right hand side. So let me look for this. So they are not showing it very well, but if you turn it, you're going to see it very well. So where they wrote place your design here, I'm going to click on it. Good. Then container right, so let's double tap it. So you double tap the eye, container right. So let's go. So I have double tap it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. Good. So you click on the eye, you edit. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your file again. Then you click on open and place. Then go to your file. Then you click on the image we just saved right now. So let's click on it. Good. Can you see? Actually fine. So you can actually drag it a little bit. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your save smart object. Save smart object. So object updated. So you click on the first PSD file. So let's check. So good. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your place your design here again. Place your design here again. Then you choose your container left. Container left. So you double tap it again. Then you edit again. Then you click on your file. Then you click on open and place. And go to the same design that we just did right now. So you click on it. Good. You can actually adjust it to go up a little bit. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So you click on the file again, then click on save smart object again. Good. So you click on the PSD file again to check your work. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, we are dealing with the two container, and it must not be the same color. So now let's go to the top cover. So you change your color. So let's go to my top. Let me find my top cover. So the FX. So let's check the FX if it is the top cover. So you check the FX. You click on the FX. Then check. Okay, it's not the FX. So there's another way to do this. So let's go. Good. So you see where they write change your color here. So you click on it. You click on the triangle. So it will actually go down and show you container right, container left. So that is the cover. So you choose on the container left. So you click on it. Sorry. So you click on the triangle again. So it will show you lead and label. So I'm not going with the label. I'm going with the lead. So let's go. Double tap the lead to change the color. So let's go. So which color do we want? So let us look for the color that we want. I think we want something something chocolate. So let me look for where I can get the chocolate color. So let me go like this. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me check if it is okay. Good, it is okay. So you choose on the container. So that you choose on the container right. So let's choose on the container left. Let's go for it. Lead again. So double tap it. Then go for the same thing again. It's okay. Good. Can you see it? Nothing different. So you can actually leave it like this. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to go to your file. Then you export as PNG. Then click on the PNG. Then they will show you save. Then you can actually save your work. Where is save? Okay, this is save. So you click on the save to download your work. Good. So that's how to do this image on your Pixellab and your Photopea. Please don't forget to share this if you find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.